sing trick or treat. Tell the neighbors on your diaphragm. It's our town, everybody's free. It's town of Halloween. I am the one hiding under your bed. Here comes Elastigirl, stretching her arms. Elastigirl, no one's beyond her reach. Elastigirl.
7 foot frame, right so long his back. When he calls your name, it all fades to black. Yeah, he sees your dreams, feasts on your screams. We don't talk about Bruno, no, no, no. We don't talk about Bruno.
Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. Just smell the grass, the dirt, just like I dreamed they'd be.
Well, what have we here? Santa Claus, huh? Ooh, I'm really scared. So you're the one everybody's talking about. You're joking. I can't believe my eyes. You're joking me. You gotta be. This can't be the right guy. He's ancient. He's ugly. I don't know which is worse. I might just split a seam now if I don't die laughing first.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything?
What's the matter with your hair? What's the matter with your mind and your sign? Up, down, up. When I up, down, touch the ground, it puts me in the mood. Up, down, touch the ground, in the mood for food.
He told me my fish would die the next day. Dead. No.
He told me I'd grow a gut, and just like he said that all my hair would disappear. Now look at my hair.
When the crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake,
Spooks come out for a swing and wake,
happy haunts materialize.
and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. You got some power in your corner now. Some heavy ammunition in your camp. You got some punch, pizzazz, Yahoo and how. Say all you gotta do is rub that lamp. And I'll say, Mr. Lancer, what will your pleasure be?
And every time it rains, panties from heaven.
Shooby-dooby,
Don't you know each cloud contains panties from heaven?
shooby-dooby.
You
Though I have to say goodbye, remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I'm far away, I hold you in my heart. I sing a secret song to you each night we are apart. Remember me. Though I have to travel far, remember me. Each time you hear a sad guitar. Born of cold and winter air and mountain rain combining. This icy force both foul and fair has...
Hiya, Bobby.
Hi, Ken.
You wanna go for a ride?
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Life is plastic, it's fantastic. You can brush my hair, undress me everywhere. Imagination, life is your creation.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me.
Don't ask me how I did it, I just did it. It was hard.
Stop me now. I'm having such a good time. I'm having a ball. Don't stop me now. If you wanna have a good time, just give me a call. Don't stop me now.
something strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call?
Like it's your first day. What, are you trying to ski? With knee pads? I don't want to trap you.
I just stepped in dog poop, but it was frozen, so it was okay.
If every single coach I've had growing up could see what I do on the ice now, they'd be like, yep, that makes sense.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen, Blitzen, and all his reindeer pulling on the reins.
And probably will be for life.
Time casts a spell on you. You won't forget me. I know I could have loved you, but you would not let me.
Fall on your knees.
It's so dreamy. Oh, fantasy, free me. So you can't see me. No, not at all.
For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
He did the mash,
he did the monster
the
mash.
monster mash.
It was a graveyard
He
smash.
did the mash,
It caught on in a flash.
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
I'm not wearing underwear today. No, I'm not wearing underwear today. Not that you probably care much about my underwear. Still, nonetheless, I gotta say that I'm not wearing underwear today.
Is mine on mine? Mine. Nothing in the world belongs to me but my love. Mine on mine.
Thank you so much for watching. Click any of these videos for more character fun, and be sure to subscribe for more Disney magic. See you next time.